Ever get a call from a number you don't want to save as a contact but still want to remember who it is? Or maybe you order something and the delivery guy calls but later you forget the number? Fortunately, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a simple feature called text inside the phone app. This lets you label a number without saving it to contacts, so the next time they call, you will instantly recognize who they are. Let me show you how it works. First, open the phone app. While you are in the Keypad tab, type any phone number. You will see a tag icon next to the plus icon at the top. Tap it. A small window appears to let you type your tag. Tap save. And that's it. Now, even if you don't save the number into contacts, the next time they call or text you, your phone will show the tag you created. This is super useful for temporary numbers, business calls, or anyone you need to identify later without filling your phone book. It's a small feature, but honestly very helpful in daily life. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.